Do you have a pair of old or damaged Bluetooth earbuds laying around? Then don't throw them away. Today we going to rescue the Bluetooth circuit from these damaged earbuds along with a small amplifier module, a 3.7 volt battery and a speaker to build a simple and fully functional Bluetooth speaker. And the best part is, we can connect it directly to our phone and play music wirelessly. So let's see how to build it. First we need a Bluetooth circuit from a damaged pair of earbuds. Now let's move on the most important part of this project, the wiring. First identify the positive and negative power terminal of the Bluetooth circuit. Connect the red wire to the positive power input of the circuit and black wire to the negative power input. As you see, I make sure to carefully check all connections and ensure there are no short circuits. Now our circuit is ready. And now connect positive and negative terminal to amplifier module. We will connect the audio output of the Bluetooth circuit to the input of the amplifier module. Make sure the left and right audio channels are connected to their corresponding input terminals. Now connect the battery. Connect the positive terminal of the battery to the positive power input of the circuit and the negative terminal to the negative power input. We will also need a few connecting wires to complete the circuit and for sound output. Now connect the output of the amplifier module to the speaker. Positive to positive and negative terminal to negative terminal. And that's it. The basic wiring is complete. Before powering on, make sure to carefully check all connections to ensure that there are no short circuit. Now our circuit is ready. Next, open the Bluetooth setting of your phone and search for available device. Our Bluetooth device should be appear in this list. Simply select and pair your phone with the device. And there we go. Our DIY speaker is successfully connected to the phone. So we successfully turned a damaged earbud circuit into a useful Bluetooth speaker by using just few simple components. If you enjoyed this DIY project, make sure to like this video, and for more interesting electronics projects, DIY experiments and creative tech ideas, subscribe to Vikrant Tech Lab. I will see you in the next video with another interesting project. Until then, keep experimenting, keep learning, keep creating, and don't forget to subscribe